this morning we are going to share a community poem with you. And what that is a poem that a group of people write together. And that's what we did.
I'm from the beaches of Mexico and the neighborhoods of the seaside.
I am from the Fort Balthazar because my dad was a Balthazar and his dad was a Balthazar. I'm the son.
I am from LA, ramen, cheeseburgers, and pizza. And I am from Roslyn, Patti, and Rosado.
I am from the salty water and the wet sand, the trampoline and the swings.
I am from California and from the smell of candles and rum. I am from Haiti and Carlos.
I am from the kangaroo-filled lands of Australia with koalas roaming the trees and the listen.
I am from beef soup, tacos, and steak.
I am from outside my grandma's place.
I'm from the swings in my backyard and fun summers with my cousins and grandparents.
I am from fun trips and great memories.
I am from the ocean trees and the dry long lands, full of population and cities and the produce from my country.
I am from kindergarten field trips in 2017 to 2019.
I am from the top of the Eiffel Tower and the beach of the Chicken and the taste of the fish.
I am from the wonderful taste of Persian rice topped with saffron.
I am from the warm matzo ball soup that my grandma makes.
I am from the giraffe habitat at the zoo, feeding a giraffe. I am from the delicious aroma I smell every time I walk into the kitchen.
I am from birthdays, Hanukkah, and Christmas.
I am from New and my grandma's. I am from the smell of rotten eggs and vanilla and chocolate ice cream. I'm from the memories of Africa, South Carolina, the birth of the beach. I am from Ireland on the beach. I lived in 139 used to live, but that's where I was born. My food was salad and I like potato pie. I am from Bagels in the morning. I am from the sweet bread with the sugar we get every morning. I'm from taking trips every 2 weeks.
I am from the banks of the Mississippi River full of stinky fish bugs in the summertime.
Let's go, Bulldogs. We can do better than that. Let's give them a round of applause. All right. It takes a lot of courage to come up here and share their poem. Great job of great stuff.